Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Posture Guru, and today we will be discussing on the topic why one of my pec is bigger than the other. You start to do exercise and one day you see yourself in a mirror and find yourself that one side of your chest is bigger and it looks more stronger. You are doing exercises and you see there is only growth in one side of your chest and other side of the chest is not growing, which is causing imbalances in your body. So in that case, what you do, you go on the internet, you search for the solutions, you read n number of articles, but none of them give you the right information. So what I suggest you is to check out my website and the article, The Ultimate Guide to Correct Onion Pecs. The link will be given in the description. In this article you will understand how you tend to have, what causes the onion pecs and how you can fix it, and the exercises. But this article is not complete. This article will definitely help you in correcting your imbalances, but it will take time. If you really want to correct your muscle imbalances within a short period of time, for example 1 month, then I recommend you to check out my book, that is Human Biomechanics Optimization, that is available on Amazon. It's also available on Google Play Books. So it's only a 36-page book. It's written in a very simple language, anybody can understand. It doesn't require a physiotherapist or a personal trainer to understand the book. Anybody can understand this book. If you see on the internet, you see many videos, but if you do the exercises the way they tell, it will take years for you to correct your muscle imbalances. This book is written by me and I had muscle imbalances myself, and I know what time it takes to correct muscle imbalances. It took me around 6 years to figure out how muscle imbalance occur and how you can correct. And today I can say you can correct muscle imbalances within a month of a time, and you will start to see the results from the day one. Muscle imbalances is very complicated, but once you understand, you will be able to correct and see the results from the day one. So please go and check out my book, that is Human Biomechanics Optimization. It's available on Amazon. The link will be given on the description. Also the playbook description will also be there. Once you buy this book, you can contact me. If you don't understand anything from the book, you can contact me on my mail ID. You can definitely go onto my website and know more about me. At any point of the time you feel that you are not understanding this book, you can just mail me with your queries and I will be happy to answer. So thank you. Please let me tell you that this information is not given anywhere, and yes, you can correct your muscle imbalances within 1 month. It's true. You just need to understand the science. You need to analyze your body, and this book helps you in analyzing plus coming out of your muscle imbalances in a short period of time. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching my video.